if you don't know, let me tell you now. I'm not a hair professional, a hairstylist, a color professional, colorist, a colorist. What?
What?
Oh, so they're called hairdressers. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today let's sit and chat. So earlier I posted a poll here on YouTube on my community tab asking you guys what video you wanted me to film today, and to my surprise, you guys wanted me to share my secrets on how I maintain my bleached natural hair. I mean, there might be some debate on whether my hair is actually natural since I've chemically altered the color of my hair, but I have not chemically altered the texture of my hair. However, let's talk about why my hair hasn't completely broken off after 2 entire years of bleaching it and dyeing it red. So I tell you guys already, I am not a professional hairstylist, a colorist, a cosmetologist or any of those, but I did bleach and dye my hair myself. And before doing so, I did a whole lot of research and Googling. Woo! Basically, I want to just talk about me really wanting to color my hair. And next thing I want to do coming up is to color my hair. Now, so I know in my last update I had said I was planning to straighten my hair and to also color my hair, and clearly I haven't done that as yet. However, this could all go just fine. No problems, no regrets. It's getting done today. So here's the secret, and the real reason I think why my bleached hair has survived for so long. Bleaching your hair is going to damage your hair. Wait for it. Yeah, it's a whole chemical process where the bleach reacts with the melanin in your hair strands. It's kind of the same thing like the melanin in your skin. It's responsible for the color in your hair. The bleach reacts with the melanin, chemistry, and your hair is lightened. Damage. The hair strand is being compromised, protein bonds are being compromised, your hair becomes drier, more brittle, fragile. Chemistry. And damaged hair breaks. So to not damage your hair, don't bleach your hair. Wait for it. If bleaching your hair causes breakage, and the longer you leave the bleach on your hair, the more damaged your hair becomes, and damaged hair breaks, just don't bleach my hair for too long to cause too much damage. Oh, that was a secret. So the amount of bleaching I did to my hair really wasn't that much. Oh, yeah, we should talk about the color chart. So this is the color chart, and basically your hair falls on some part of the spectrum somewhere here. Okay, I think my natural hair color was like a dark brown, or between dark brown and black. It was pretty dark. No, a little lighter. Point is, you start somewhere on this chart, right? And the longer you keep the bleach on your hair for, the lighter it becomes. So you know, the further down on the chart you are, the more steps you have to take, the longer you have to take to get to the lighter part. More damaged. So that is why you'll never see me permanently dye my real hair a color like blue, because to get blue to show on your hair as a true blue and not turn green, you'll have to bleach your hair to a extra blonde. What the color chart call it? Extra light blonde. So follow me. Bleach removes melanin, that whole chemical process thing, and the hair dye adds color. Whatever color you want. You get me? Yeah. And the whole blue not turning green thing basically is color theory, because blue and yellow make green. So if you have little yellow in your hair still after bleaching your hair, you didn't bleach it long enough for it to remove the yellow pigments. My point was, that is why I would never dye my hair blue, because I would have to go too light with my hair and damage my hair too much by leaving the bleach on my hair for too long. And yeah, that's damage. Oh yeah. And how damaged your hair becomes is not only going to depend on how light you bleach your hair, it's also going to depend on how thick your hair strand is, how porous your hair strand is, and whether or not you're even bleaching virgin hair. Please don't tell me you are thinking to bleach already bleached hair. I only re-bleach my hair, the damaging one. Yeah, I only do that once a year to the hair that is newly grown out of my scalp, that has not been chemically processed before, that is virgin. And every 6 to 8 weeks, I add a hair rings over my hair to keep the red color vibrant and fresh and popping. Although it's been more than 6 to 8 weeks now, because I've noticed over time I can extend that 6 to 8 weeks to probably 12 to 15 weeks, because I think the semi-permanent dye starts to actually permanently stain the medium brown, medium blonde hair strands. I'm not sure of the whole chemistry behind that, but after 2 years of dyeing my hair consistently red, I've noticed that. As a matter of fact, it has been a full year since I last touched up the bleach on my hair, and I am really contemplating whether or not I want to do another touch-up or allow the black hair to grow out and in turn have, like, you know, red ends and black hair. Although this is not really red anymore, it's like a burgundy, reddish, purplish sort of color. But yeah, if I do decide to re-bleach my roots, I'll be sure to film it this time. So yeah, in summary, bleaching your hair damages your hair. So if you don't want to damage your hair any at all, don't bleach your hair. But if you want to bleach your hair, just don't bleach it for too long. Hence, you won't damage it too much. And yeah, after that, it's just a matter of not breaking off your hair. And the tips and tricks for not breaking your hair, it's the same for everybody else. It's just that no, your hair is bleached and damaged, and it's gonna take more time and more care to prevent breakage. Yup, the plot thickens.
If you've been enjoying this video and you haven't skipped a thing, answer this question to be featured in my next intro.
I'd be at Coachella right now. Maintaining your bleached hair for years and preventing it from breaking off is not just a matter of, doing the same healthy habits that everybody else does when they're trying to prevent breakage. You most likely know those already. Deep condition your hair weekly, moisturize your hair daily, don't detangle your hair when you're in a bad mood, protective styling, low maintenance hairstyles, the usual. The only difference is your hair is now damaged and it's gonna take more time and care, a little more gentle hands to do the same exact practices everybody else is doing to prevent breakage. So the lighter the hair color, the more gentle you're going to have to be with your hair. And that's the secret. Don't come call my hair damaged. My hair is healthy. Healthily damaged. So I really didn't think I would be talking for this long. I even asked you guys to post some questions to me on what you wanted me to talk about in this video because I really didn't think I had that much to talk about. So what I'm thinking to do is to go live sometime this week. Subscribe and turn your post notifications on. And in my live, I'll answer those questions and we can chat and have a discussion and yeah. Okay beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and even if you didn't enjoy it because it was just me here sitting down chatting, I hope you learned something. And if you did, be sure to like this video, share the video, because if you don't share it, nobody will see it. And if this is your first time on my channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, I understand my voice is kind of annoying and listening to it consistently throughout an entire video is not very ideal. However, I have more videos up in the iCards of me actually doing my hair, so I'm not constantly talking, and hopefully you'll enjoy those videos more and decide to subscribe. Okay beauties, thanks again for watching. Later. Mwah. And by the way, sorry for the echo same way. We are supposed to be staying inside our houses, so I can't go outside of my house to buy stuff to fill the room, to absorb the sound and stop the echoing. So it's still a work in progress.